Surviving the skies: how birds adapt to the modern world. In a world reshaped by human hands, birds, the resilient and resourceful creatures of the sky, continue to adapt in ways that astonish and inspire us. As cities expand, climates change, and natural habitats diminish, birds rise to these challenges with an impressive array of survival strategies. Their stories of adaptation are not just a testament to their resilience, but also a reflection of how interconnected life on Earth truly is. One of the most striking examples of bird adaptability is their ability to thrive in urban environments. The common pigeon, often referred to as the city dweller, is a prime example. Once accustomed to nesting on rocky cliffs, pigeons have seamlessly transitioned to using ledges of skyscrapers and apartment buildings as substitutes. Urban areas, with their abundance of discarded food, have become thriving ecosystems for these birds. Similarly, crows and magpies have demonstrated remarkable intelligence in city settings. They've been observed using tools, recognizing traffic signals, and even cracking nuts by placing them under car tires. Such behaviors highlight their ability to turn human-made challenges into opportunities for survival. But adaptation goes beyond urban life. Birds are also responding to the immense pressure of climate change. Migratory birds, for instance, are altering centuries-old patterns to cope with rising temperatures and shifting seasons. The black-capped warbler, a small European songbird, is changing its migratory routes, opting to spend winters in urban areas where the climate is milder and food sources are abundant. This shift not only saves energy but also ensures better survival rates. Similarly, seabirds like puffins are adjusting their diets as traditional prey species dwindle. By hunting for alternative food sources, they showcase an ability to pivot in response to environmental changes. In agricultural landscapes, some bird species have found ways to coexist with humans. Barn swallows, for example, have embraced the structures humans provide, nesting in barns, sheds, and under bridges. They help farmers by feeding on insects, acting as natural pest controllers. However, not all birds have found human activity to be beneficial. Habitat destruction and pesticide use pose significant threats to many species. Yet even in the face of these challenges, some birds, like sparrows, have developed an uncanny ability to forage in human-altered environments, scavenging crumbs and seeds to sustain their populations. Technology and conservation efforts are also playing a role in supporting birds' survival. Urban planners are designing bird-friendly cities, incorporating green roofs and safe nesting spaces. Organizations worldwide are deploying tracking technology to study migratory patterns, enabling conservationists to protect critical habitats. Citizen science projects, where everyday people participate in bird counts and habitat monitoring, further strengthen these efforts by raising awareness and gathering valuable data. Despite their adaptability, birds face unprecedented challenges that require our attention. Collisions with glass buildings, pollution, and shrinking natural habitats continue to threaten their populations. Yet, their resilience offers hope. From the flamingos that thrive in industrial salt pans to the sparrows that find refuge in bustling marketplaces, birds remind us of nature's ability to persist and adapt in an ever-changing world. As we reflect on their survival stories, it becomes clear that our actions as humans play a critical role in shaping the future of these creatures. By protecting their habitats, reducing pollution, and fostering coexistence, we not only ensure their survival but also preserve the delicate balance of our shared planet. Birds, with their songs and flights, are not just survivors. They are symbols of life's resilience, urging us to rise to the challenge of safeguarding the natural world.